Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is a real treat. It is a home remodel in Southern California, and we had such a ball, and it was quite challenging for this project. What you're looking at now are some of the before pictures, the dining room, and one of the main reasons why the client called was because of this living room. Everything just seemed hodgepodge, and she just didn't feel as though it felt like a home. So she wanted us to use what she currently had in place, but give it a update, revitalize it, and refreshen the space. Install day is very hectic, it's crazy, and what you're looking at now is the living room. The walls have already been painted. Accent wall in the dining room, but we are going to use the client's existing furniture, or some of it for the most part. Yes, we do still have paint going on and fixing up some of the wood, replastering some areas, and typically that may be what's needed on an install day, but I guarantee you the team that I have worked with for over 20 years will get it done so that when the clients return to their home this evening or this afternoon, it would be the desired look, and we will definitely meet their expectations. Let's start upstairs with the nursery. This is a part of the primary bedroom area, so it did need to be addressed. The walls were just yellow, pretty much with the red clock on the wall, kind of boring. And since we are redesigning and revitalizing the primary bedroom space, we needed to address the nursery. What you're looking at now is Mimi actually putting up drapery because, again, with this COVID situation going on, some team members may get ill, may catch COVID, may have a bad flu, and I am on deck for hanging these draperies. A lot of times you just don't know what's going to happen on install day, and you can't necessarily call a backup, even if you have one, on the day of install. So I decided that I would not cancel the install, but hang the drapery. So that is what you're actually seeing me do. We painted out that wall, which was yellow, gave it a punch of color because the main color for this client is going to be green. It is her favorite color. This is her actual bedroom space / nursery. So we're tying in the colors that we're using in the primary bedroom in this nursery, and the first thing we did was paint the wall out green. Walking up and down the stairs probably 50 to 100 times in that one given day for an install, and it is very tedious, and it is a good weight loss exercise. The upstairs hallway is in progress. Enjoy the video, guys, and take a look at some of the before and afters. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what was your favorite part, and can you take some of these tricks into your own personal space. Until next time, make every day a great day.
When I'm awake, you're almost there. while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. Super
Ying,
nice.
ying, look at that.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Bring out the drop class, you know.
They put the table here. Thank you. Wow, look at that. Wow. Good. Wow.
Wow. Okay.
This is.
Hats off to you. Oh, it's a little skeptical, but that's still a shot. Wow.
Oh, look at this. It's way better.
That's you and Daddy.
Yeah.
That's you and Daddy.
That's you right there. Okay. Oh, wow.
I am my bed.
Oh my God.
It's your bed. Why is it my bed?
Oh, wow, Ying Ying. Look at your bed.
Let's go see Momo's bed.
So nice.
I have to see on the back.
Rest, relax now. Oh, look at our pictures over.
It swivels. It turns.
Oh. It's so different.
I don't think we're gonna mess up the bed sheets or anything. We're just gonna
No. This
sleep
is all.
standing
No
up.
sleeping.
Leave everything
You
alone.
sleep over here.
No, it's all livable.
Wow.
And this is two-sided.
Fancy
So you can decide.
Ooh.
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.